Hey guys, so today I have the next Twisted Allure box to show you. If you haven't seen me open this before, it is an American box and it's £65 in the UK. I'm not sure what it is in other countries, but they do ship worldwide and the shipping is quite expensive to some different countries. So just keep that in mind. I always get that comment about how expensive the shipping is, so I do mention it every time. So Twisted Allure is kind of like a spooky bath company. They do bath bombs, sugar scrubs, soaps, moisturizers, body sprays, hand washes, anything that you can think of like that, and it all smells absolutely amazing. Each one is themed every month, so it's like a different theme, and I think that this one is the March box. I do also have a discount code for 5% off, which I will put here now, which is LunaLily. You can use that, I think, on the subscription boxes, but they also just sell individual items, which you can use that for as well. So yeah, we are just going to open this and see what is in here. I haven't opened it yet. I have resisted the urge, even though I absolutely love Twisted Allure. So it seems to be a lilac, blue and pink sort of theme. I'm just going to open it so you can see a little better. Looks like this, and the theme is creepy and cute, which is adorable. We've got a little Baphomet here. As I always say, this would make the cutest tattoo design. Their artwork is amazing. This is just a little card that tells you what's in the box, but we're not going to read off that because I'm going to show you. So that is our little spoiler card. And then this is their little business card. It says Live, Die, Haunt, Creepy Bath Products. And it's got their information at the bottom down there. I will put that in the video description as well. And then I'm going to move all the pretty worms to get the stuff better. And the first thing that I'm seeing is a bubble bath. So this one is called Pure Evil, like Pure Evil. And it's cherry lemonade scented, which as always sounds amazing. The stickers on these are super cute. This one has a little cat coming out of a grave that says rest in peace on there. I hope this is showing up okay. On my camera right now it's looking like the colour is a little weird. In person these are like super bright and colourful, so hopefully that is coming through. They have like a little clicky up lid so that it's easy to use, and a little seal on them. So what was this one? This one is cherry lemonade. Smells amazing as always. Not really getting a mass amount of cherry in that. I would definitely say lemonade. It is very lemony. Oh, yeah, I am getting cherry, just kind of a weaker cherry. But smells amazing though, as always. Super fruity. Not my absolute favourite that we've ever had from them, but still really good though. So that one was Pure Evil Bubble Bath. Next we have another split scrub. So I seem to be getting a real collection of these now because they've done this in quite a lot of the previous boxes. This one is called Spoiled Bat, and it's like a green and pink colour, as you can see. And this one is green apple and sweet cherry. Again, sounds incredible. These have like a little pop-up lid. Seems really bright right now, but you can see it back here, hopefully. Oh, this one is amazing. This one is like a real sour candy cherry sort of smell. Not really getting the apple in this one, just overpowering cherry. But I absolutely love that. So that one is definitely my favourite scent in the box so far. The green apple and sweet cherry Spoiled Bat Split Scrub. So next we have a body lotion called You're Dead to Me. And it's got a little skull on there. As you can see, it's kind of like a baby pink sort of colour. And this one is Strawberry Peach Champagne. I feel like in the past box or in a very recent box we've had either this scent or a similar scent. I can't remember if it was strawberry something else champagne or peach something else champagne, or if it was this one, but I feel like it was close to this maybe. I'm just going to unscrew it because that's easier. Try not get it everywhere. Oh, I love that one. I feel like I've just got it all over my mouth. That is like, it's reminding me of summer and cocktails. It's kind of like a strawberry daiquiri sort of fruity cocktail sort of smell. Love that one. So that is the You're Dead to Me body lotion. And then we have two things left. So I'm going to go for the smallest one first. And this is a little body spray called Dead Teddy. And it's got a little zombie looking stitched up teddy on the front. And this one is cotton candy, grapes and sugar berries, which sounds like it was made for me. Love cotton candy scents, love grape scents, love berry scents. It sounds amazing. So I'm going to shake this and then I'm going to open it and not spray it because Chili's in the room and I don't want to like affect him by spraying anything. I never put anything in here with him. So, oh, smells so good. It smells a little bit too strong because I am smelling it like directly from the bottle, but I am 100% getting the cotton candy smell. Not so much grape, I'm gonna be honest, but just the cotton candy smells amazing on its own. It's super like sugary and like it reminds you of being at a fairground or something like that. So that is the little Dead Teddy body spray. And then the very last thing that we have in here, I already know I'm gonna love, and that is a hand soap because it is grape candy scented. We only just got a grape hand soap in the Addams Family kind of theme box. It was like a black version and that smelled incredible. So this one is a shiny purple, like a shimmery sort of purple kind of colour. And I don't remember if it was grape candy or if it was like sour grape or if it was something a little different, but it was grape though. But let's have a smell of this one. Trying not to pour hand soap all over me. I love it just as much. Like I said, I don't know if this one is a slightly different variant or not, but it's just such a fake grape scent and I absolutely love it. So that is the Cute as Hell hand soap. And that was everything that was in the Twisted Allure March box. So I'll quickly grab it all and show you all together at once. So we had the Spoiled Bat Split Scrub, and this was green apple and sweet cherry. We had the Purr Evil Bubble Bath in cherry lemonade. We had the You're Dead to Me body lotion, and that was strawberry peach champagne. The Cute as Hell hand soap in grape candy, and the Dead Teddy body spray in cotton candy, grapes and sugar berries. So these were the items in the March Twisted Allure box. Again, loved the colour scheme this month. She's really like pulling it out of the bag with the colour schemes. In the last one, it was like a neon pink and green, which I loved. Before that, it was purples and blacks, which I loved. And now it's like a kind of neon but pastel pink, green, blue and purple again, which I love. It's kind of giving me like an Easter vibe. I feel like this would have been a good Easter theme colour, but obviously she has something else planned for that one. So I would say in this one, the grape and probably the split scrub were my favourite scents. Obviously because I love grape, and this one was just like a really sour cherry sort of smell. So you'll have to let me know what you thought of this one down below in the comments. I will put all of the information down below for them in case you want to go and check them out. And I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.